Can you believe we have been on this crazy adventure living in our van for 200 days? Like today is day 200. I just can't believe it. I feel like time has flown. But on day 200, we thought we'd take you along for a little day in the life here while we're staying at an LTVA and talk to you about how we got kicked out of the YouTube partner program. But first, coffee.
Check.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We all fall down, we get banged up, but the scars show what we're made of.
Back in 2021, we were living in an apartment that we truly loved. It was 2 bedrooms, it was brand new, but it was expensive. We were paying over $1,500 a month for rent and everything included with that. So we knew that we wouldn't be able to save up to get a year ahead in order to make this dream a reality. So we packed everything up, we moved in with Jill's parents in order to save on rent, and then in December of 2021, our friends texted us with an opportunity to try out tiny living.
So of course we took the opportunity to move in right next door to our best friends and live in a 12 by 14 foot tiny house at the start of a Maine winter.
I can't hear you.
The other day I was on FaceTime with my gram and she said, what do you guys do when you're hanging out in the desert like that? Like, what does your day look like? So that's what we're doing today. We're bringing you guys along for a pretty common day when we're out in BLM land and we're boondocking. We usually wake up pretty slow, make some coffee, sit outside for a bit, and then we always bring Cliff for a walk to get some of his energy out in the morning. But back to the YouTube partner program. So in 2021, once we moved in and we started telling our family and friends about moving into this tiny house, they had a ton of questions. So one Saturday, we decided to film a tour of what the inside of our tiny house looked like, just so we could show our family and friends when we went back home for the holidays. And man, it took an unexpected turn.
After about 4 days of the video being uploaded on YouTube, we realized very quickly that more than just our family and friends were watching, and we were shocked. I will never forget one night, Cody woke me up in the middle of the night just to show me the video growing, and we sat there and watched the numbers go up and up and up. It was crazy. And that was when we realized we had a fair chance at making it into the YouTube partner program.
It's a brand new day. 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 When the rain falls, when the ground shakes, when the wind blows, when your heart breaks, show me sorrow, show me laughter, show me starlight, show me what you have to. I can't hear you.
So now it's the part of the day that we need to get some work done. This is pretty common for our afternoons. We're either sitting in here or we're sitting out under the awning, depending how hot it is. Today it's almost 80 degrees, so we are gonna be getting some work done outside. So that tiny house tour video went on to do over 500,000 views, which was unreal for us, and it got us into the YouTube partner program. So that means we had over 1,000 subscribers and our channel had over 3,000 hours of watched content, which seems like a huge daunting task before you start YouTube. And in one video, we did that. So between that tiny house tour and a few other smaller videos we made almost $2,000 just off of the ads on YouTube.
Cody is more of a sit in the shade type of guy, and I like to sit in the sun. So we compromised during the middle of the day. We try to keep the awning out, but when it starts cooling off in the afternoon, it is time to sit in the sun. Do you want to play ball? You want to play? You want to play for a little bit? Let's play, get your ball. While the boys play ball, I wanted to update you on what happened after we posted a few tiny house videos. We both were so busy at that time in our lives. Cody had or he still does have his own video production company, but he had so many clients at the time, and I never really had 2 days off in a row. So we found it really hard to be consistent with filming and editing and posting, and it just wasn't the right time for us. So we eventually stopped posting altogether, which led to us being kicked out of the partner program. We were no longer monetized on YouTube, which meant we were no longer making any money.
Right. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go in. Come. Come on. I know. It's okay. Come on, come on, come on. Good boy. All right, now that we got some energy out of Cliff and we got our work done for the day, we are gonna start prepping dinner. We love to try to get dinner done and then take it outside so we can watch the sunset go down over the mountains. It's been amazing to do that the last couple of nights. We're gonna try to do that for you guys again tonight. But on the menu, we have some chickpea wings.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
All right, we are about halfway through. We got our wings made and we cooked up some potatoes. We're gonna have corn. If you guys watched our expenses video and how much van life costs us per month, you know that we're cutting back on groceries, so we're trying to eat everything in the van, so we're making some interesting meals lately. But anyway, back to the YouTube Partner Program. We always knew that YouTube was going to be a part of this adventure. It's something that we'd always dreamed up. We always dreamed of sharing this with other people so they could follow along and also create videos that we're excited to look back on in the future with our kids, things like that. And now that we're posting again, we're getting really close to becoming monetized again, which is super exciting for us. We're currently at 2,100 watch hours and we need to be at 3,000 before we can get monetized. So we're hoping to go from 2,100 watch hours to 3,000 before the end of April. So if you guys could help us out, that would be great.
How can you help, you ask? We would absolutely love it if you went back, maybe watched a couple of our old videos, maybe share some videos with your friends, share some on your social media. We would be eternally grateful for you.
Well, the sunset is just about to go down behind the mountain. That really snuck up on us after making dinner, so we're gonna end this one here while we still have some light.
Thank you guys for watching. We, again, are so grateful to have you around. We feel like we've built this little community and we cannot say thank you enough. Again, if you have some extra time, maybe go watch some old videos, catch up with us. But yeah, we so appreciate you guys.
We thank you guys for sticking with us and we hope to see you in the next one.
Cheers.
Peace.
It's